Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba usaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mengabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini u-subscribe. Ukusubscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphotheli lezi ndaba-ke ongawenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ngawucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulese lona-ke namhlanje-ke lithi-ke kusolwa-ke i-MK-ke laphana-ke kushiya-ke elinye-ke ilunga-ke laphana-ke kwi-EFF emva kokuba sonke sazi ukuthi i-EFF isanda kushiywa-ke laphana-ke ilunga-ke elikhulu-ke uFloyd Shivambu-ke ojoyine-ke umkhonto wesizwe party-ke laphana-ke iposti-ke ibiqinisekisa-ke konke-ke lokho-ke ibibhalwe ukuthi-ke mangifundela yona-ke bithi-ke former EFF student command head resigns. EFF continue to lose prominent leaders as the former head of student command Mpho Marulane and an MP handed his resignation letter yesterday to the party SG Marshall Dlamini. Although Marulane didn't specify his next move, but is allegedly he is joining the fast-growing Umkhonto weSizwe party. If so, he'll be the fifth EFF leader to resign and join MK after Floyd Shivambu. Other former EFF MPs Patrick Sindane, Mambato Makause and Kenny Motamai also submitted their resignation letters recently. Mina-ke ngicela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ungene ema-comment section-ke ufushiye uvo lwakho-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke ukuthi wena-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke ubhale-ke lapha ama-comment section-ke bese uyangixhasa-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphotheli izindaba ongawenza nje manje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje.